Hey guys, so real quick, I am running this class tomorrow that is going to show people how to make these countdown ornaments for the holidays. And I just did one for Halloween, and now I need to go in here and change the numbers for my countdown for Christmas. So really, I just need 25 days, right, instead of 30. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I am going to make a copy of this real quick, just because I hate losing things. And I'm going to scroll out, move this away, and come back in here. I'm going to go ahead and ungroup these. I'm just going to delete this, and I'm going to make myself another really small circle. You'll see why in just a moment. I'm going to center that. All right, so now that I've got this centered, what I'm going to use is LightBurn's variable text option to create the 1 through 25. So to do this, I am going to grab my text tool. I'm going to do DD, David. I am going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm also going to center that. So DD is a code that is used to tell LightBurn that we want to do this in a numerical setting. The other thing we're going to do when we select this is go up here to our text, type for variable text number settings. And I'm going to click on serial number because that's what I want. I want this to be a serial number. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my windows, and I'm going to go down here and open my variable text window. I'm going to try and make this a little bit smaller, or at least slide this over so you can see it. This is my variable text window. So now I've got the DD, I've got my variable text window open, which I open in Windows, and I've got my text set to serial numbers, and I've pulled the code DD telling LightBurn that I am going to run some serial numbers. These codes can be found on LightBurn's website, or you can follow me and I'll continue to teach you more about this. So what I need to do is I need to select my centerpiece. And then I need to go over here to circular array, and I want 25 copies. I want my auto increments at 1 because I want it to go up by 1 each time. And I'm using the last selected object position as my center. So this was the last selected object, right? This little circle, so that is my center. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and then I'm going to go here and hit test. It's probably not going to work right. Oh, it actually did. Fantastic. Sometimes it doesn't. Typically, I need to set this to 1, to start at 1, and to end it at 25, but it seemed to work correctly this time. So again, I'm going to test it. Now you can see that my numbers are a little big, so I'm going to have to go in there. Let's go ahead and clear this, undo it. I'm going to make this guy a little smaller. I'm going to make sure to center it again. Bring it down just a hair. There we go. I'm going to grab this center. I'm going to do the same thing. 25 copies, use last selected object as centered, auto increment by 1, rotate object copies. If I don't do that, it's going to do this. So I do want them rotated. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to hit test. There we go. Those look much better. So that's how we do variable tests. This is a great way to set up a clock or to set up a countdown calendar. If you do want to learn how to design countdown calendars, go to joneslasercraft.com. I am running a live workshop this coming Thursday, September 18th. For all of those who want to join, we're going to be actually designing the calendar, countdown calendar ornaments. Sorry, my brain stopped. We're going to design some new ones. I'm going to show you guys how to set them up, and I'm going to show you how to install NFC tags in it. So when you tap it, it actually goes to the Santa tracker for the holidays. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and hope to see you on Thursday. JonesLaserCraft.com live. We're doing our countdown ornament workshop. Thanks so much.